Hello, my beautiful YouTube friends. Letty here, living life with Letty. If you saw my video yesterday, you know that I had a big scare. But luckily, nothing was damaged, and we're all okay, and that's the main thing. But it was all worth it in the end because it happened while my granddaughter was redoing my van, and oh my goodness, she is doing a fabulous job. It's not done yet, so I don't want to show it to you until it's completely done, but it will be done by tomorrow, so it'll be tomorrow's video, so stay tuned. But today's video is about my great grandbabies. I had promised you that you would meet them, so this is it. And I have 3 great grandkids. One is 6 years old. His name is Levi. He's in the 1st grade, and he's very intelligent and he's very artistic. I think he's going to be an artist of some sort because he just has it in him. And then the middle child, and that's Jocelyn, and Jocelyn is very energetic. Jocelyn has way too much energy sometimes, but she's also very intelligent, and I believe she's going to be a dancer. I'm the great grandma, but I really believe that Jocelyn has it in her maybe to be a famous ballerina or dance in a famous ballet company, because she is just, well, you will see, because I took a video, or her mom took a video of her with her tutu dancing, and she's never ever had a dance lesson in her life. And then the 3rd child, which is the baby, she's 1.5 years. Her name is Aniston, but her AKA is Anna Banana. And she's really a good baby. She's very mellow. She plays, she entertains herself for the most part. She's really, really a good baby. And I hope she stays that way because she's entering the terrible 2s. And sometimes they do change. But for now, she's just a wonderful baby. So I have a lot of clips of them. So I'm going to show them to you now. So here we go. I totally forgot also to mention my great grand dog. I have a great grand dog, and his name is Elliot. He's a French bulldog, and he is just the cutest thing ever. So let's go look at the videos of everybody. So here I am with my great grandbabies, and this is Aniston Kate, also known as Anna Banana. And she is just a very good baby, and she's eating her breakfast. And then here we go. This is the one and only Jocelyn. Yes, and Jocelyn is going to be, I think she's going to be an artist of some kind, a dancer. She loves to dance. Yes. And she is just the biggest sweetheart. Say hi. Jocelyn, say hello.
Hello.
Are you enjoying your breakfast?
Yeah.
Yes. And I see your sister is being very quiet today. Anna Banana, say hi. Anna Banana. She doesn't want to.
Thanks, Mom.
Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, you want one too? Uh-oh. Okay, let's see if we can find you one. We'll talk to your mom about that. No. You gotta get out of the van.
No.
Oh, you want to stay in the van? You want to go traveling with Grandma?
No.
No.
You want to go bye-bye with Grandma? In the car?
In the van?
In the van, huh?
But we can't. We don't have a car seat. We can't do it.
Said,
No.
huh?
The police will get you.
Are you ready to get out?
No.
No, you want to go traveling and you want to be a van dweller?
Bye.
Yeah, you want to be a nomad? Yeah, I got 2 nomads right here. 2 future nomads. Weren't they just darling? And I know that I'm the great grandma, and I just think they are precious. So I'm hoping that you think so too. So leave a comment below and let me know what you think. And if you're a hater and you're gonna leave a nasty comment, don't bother, because I will just delete it. Anyway, so when I leave this earth, my body, my soul or my energy or whatever leaves this earth, I want to leave a legacy of some sort, and maybe this is it, my channel. If YouTube will exist for a long time, then my grandchildren and my great-grandchildren will be able to see my channel. And I'm sure that now my great-grandchildren, they will, I know one doesn't watch it, the other one watches it whenever, not consistent, but I bet you if I died, they would watch every single one of them, because that's human nature. But anyway, I don't know why I went on that tangent. but this is it. I just want to leave a quick message to my great-grandchildren, and when I'm gone, they'll have some, and they're a little older, they'll have something to remember their grandma by. And what it is I just want to give you a little advice on how to live in this earth and be happy. And the main thing is to be kind. Be kind to others. Because when you're kind to others, others will be kind to you. That's how it works. If you're mean to others, others will probably be mean to you. So be kind. Always remember, and try to leave something positive that you did on this earth. Even planting a tree or anything that you think would be, do something good for this earth. Because earth needs it.
Don't litter. Stop littering.
Don't litter, because that's not good. Pick up your own stuff. Leave the place that you occupied better than when you got there. That should always be the rule. Anyway, that's all I wanted to say. I hope you enjoyed the babies and all the little clips. So thank you so much for joining me. And may the sun shine on you today and every day, especially on your solar panels. On ours, but I don't have a battery now to be charged until I get that fixed. But anyway, I love you all. Bye-bye.